Let's explore how the world's most advanced laptops are made, from raw metal to final machine. Every laptop starts with raw materials: aluminum, silicon, lithium, and polymers. High-speed cutters slice aluminum sheets into sleek laptop frames.
Each frame is stamped into shape with industrial precision and force.
USB ports, vents, and headphone jacks are carved with micron precision.
Next, the frames are polished to remove burrs and add that premium finish.
Anodizing gives the laptop its color and corrosion resistance.
Thousands of tiny parts are placed on the motherboard in seconds. A reflow oven heats the board, fusing components permanently in place.
Advanced AI scans every board for errors invisible to human eyes.
The brain of the laptop, CPU and GPU, are installed with surgical precision. Memory and storage go in, giving speed and space to the machine. Lithium-ion cells are assembled into safe, compact laptop batteries. The screen is crafted layer by layer for sharp, touch-sensitive display. Each key is built for comfort: precise feel, silent press. To prevent overheating, a cooling system is carefully installed. Everything comes together in the chassis, and now it's starting to look like a laptop. Each laptop is powered up and tested for performance, screen, and sound.
A cosmetic check ensures each unit is flawless before packaging.
Time to pack. Each laptop is boxed with care and precision. Packed laptops are shipped across the globe, ready for your desk.
From factory floor to your fingertips, built to empower your world.
And once the day ends, the machines rest, until tomorrow's build begins. This is how laptops are made, crafted with precision, powered by innovation.